Yes, what is your doubt?
Sir, what you explained again, you can tell.
That is all over, right? In the last class only. They are additions. Now we are going to deal subtractions.
Okay, sir.
1 second.
Sir, your back is fully of.
Wait. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, but back of the real background is green.
Yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Subtractions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just I'll recollect the first class. I'm recollecting the first class. We have some digit combinations, 2-digit combinations. In how many ways we can form 10 with addition?
Sir.
5 plus 5. 7.
Yeah, in how many ways? That is my question. In how many ways we can form 10 with the two numbers or 2 digits?
2 times, sir. 2
Plus.
Yeah, with 5 combinations are there. 1 plus 9.
1 plus 9.
2 plus 8.
3 plus 7.
3 plus 7.
10.
10
4
plus
plus
plus 6.
And lastly 5 plus 5.
5 plus 5, sir.
Yeah, these are the 5 combinations we have to form 10 with 2 numbers using plus operation. Okay. See, for subtractions, now you are going to take one new terminology, that is complementary. Complement. Okay.
What do we mean by that?
Yeah, let me tell you. To form 10, these are the 2 numbers required, number 1 and number 2, right? So for number 1, number 2 is the complement, and for number 2, number 1 is the complement. Means how much more we need to get 10?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
7.
Tell me, what is the complement of 1?
Sir,
9.
Complement of 8?
Sir, 2.
Complement of 3?
Sir, 7.
Sudisha, just see here.
Sir, from Kunal, it is a disturbance.
See,
Yes,
with the two numbers we are forming 10 means they are complement each other. These 2 numbers are complement each other. So how much more we need to add to 3 to get 10?
7.
7 is the complement of 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 5's complement?
Sir,
5. 5.
4's complement?
Sir, 6.
6, sir. 6.
4's complement? 6
6,
complement?
sir.
4.
7's
4,
complement?
sir. 3, sir.
2's complement?
8.
9's complement?
1.
1. Yeah. Now see.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Tell me.
I was having internet
Okay.
issues. Can
Okay.
please tell again?
Sir, she's having more interest.
Okay. Yeah, we are going to deal all these things only now. Just this is the introduction. That's all. These are the complement pairs. 1's complement is 9, 2's complement is 8, 3's complement is 7, 4's complement is 6, and 5's complement is 5. As well, vice versa also. 6 complement 4, 7's complement 3. 7 complement 3, 3's complement 7.
Okay, sir.
Remember this, both are complement each other
That means, sir, to get the 10.
to get a 10. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, see, 6 minus 4 is how much?
Sir, 2, sir.
2, sir.
Yeah. Just tell me, is it possible or not possible? Just tell that, sir.
Possible, sir.
Possible, sir.
Okay. Then 3 minus 7, is it possible or not possible?
No, sir.
No, sir. We need
7
to-
minus 3.
No,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
No, sir.
Actually, not possible, but mathematically we'll tell in this way, minus 4, I think. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Mathematically, we'll tell it as a minus 4, but practically, if you have 3 rupees, if I ask 7 rupees, how can you give?
Yes, sir.
Not possible, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. This case we'll call in subtractions. This case we'll call as a match case. Okay. And this case we'll call as a mismatch. Right? Match case means
Yes,
a
sir.
difference is possible. Mismatch is a difference is not possible. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me 578 minus 365.
Sir, first
Sir,
one
no.
is match, sir. Ma'am, first is
Sir, mismatching, sir.
See,
Sir,
first
first is
match,
match,
match, the match, sir.
First one is match, sir.
speak one by one.
Start from
Speak one by
right.
one. One after one. One after one.
Sir, match. Sir, match. Match.
Sir, match.
Okay. Well, if this you are telling about this question means I'll explain. Okay. Let me explain.
Sir, 5 minus 3.
Just let me explain.
Sir,
Let me-
first row match, second row match, third row is also match.
Okay, right. Just mute yourself. 5 minus 3 is possible, means match case. That's why I'm writing directly answer 2. 7 minus 6 is possible. Directly I'm writing answer 1. And 8 minus 5 I'm writing directly answer as 3. So 213 is the answer. Okay. Nikhil, is it your first class?
No, sir, not the first class.
Okay, okay, right. See one more case. Some 79 minus again and again joining. Why? Sushti, you joined now only or disconnected?
Sir,
and connected?
Sir, I was having internet issues, sir. I joined in my brother's room.
Okay, okay. Some 72 minus 58. See how to solve this question. Observe this carefully. Don't speak anyone. Just observe this carefully. 7 minus 5 is 2.
It is match, sir.
Yeah, don't speak. Just listen to me. 7 minus 5 is actually 2. But next is a match or mismatch. Next column.
Sir, it is mismatch.
Mismatch, sir.
It is mismatch. Wait.
Mismatch.
Sir, can you teach again, sir?
Let me explain.
Okay, sir.
By seeing the next place.
Sir, it's match, sir.
Just wait, Jayit. Wait, all of you. Ready? Yeah. 7 minus 5 actually
Yes, sir.
2. Because the next place is a mismatch, you have to reduce this 2 by 1. Right? The predecessor of 2. That will be 1. Now tell me what is the complement of 8?
Sir, 2, sir, 2.
2. Add that complement to
No, sir, 12, sir.
No. 8 complement 2. See here.
Sir,
I
it's
didn't understand.
I have not completed it. Just wait.
Yes, sir, it is mismatch and you can.
Sir, you can
matches
everyone
what
mute,
is the
sir.
complement of 8? 2. We
2.
have to add that 2 to the minuend. So 2 plus 2 is 4. That is our answer, 14.
Sir, I didn't understood.
It's 4,
Ma'am,
sir.
sir, I understood, sir. Shall I
Sir,
tell,
sir.
See, here,
Just see.
sir.
Just wait. See,
Okay, sir.
75
Okay, sir.
minus 32. Suppose if this is the case.
Sir, can I try?
Wait. All of you, don't speak anyone. Whoever having doubt, they can speak.
Excuse me,
Sir,
sir.
I didn't understood.
Yes.
Sir, I did not.
Can you please, sir, can you please mute everyone?
Yes, sir, better. Sir,
Yes, sir. Better, sir.
Sir, I did not understand how.
Yeah, because you have not understood, I'm explaining. Okay. Without by interrupting me, how can you understand again? Okay, see. Column wise, left to right subtractions. These are left to right subtractions. So first column, 7 minus 3 is actually 4. Because next place is a match, we have to keep it as it is 4 only. Okay, next 5 minus 2 is 3. That's our answer is 43. Okay, see one more example. 85 minus 70. Suppose I'm taking 69. See the first column. 8 minus 2 actually 2. Because the next place is a mismatch, you have to reduce this 2 by 1. Means it will be 1. Okay. Now add the complement of 9 to 5. Complement of 9 is 1. We have to add this 1 to 5. It will be 16. Okay. Ritvik is having doubt. Why are you raising hand? Show Pranav, doubt.
Sir, I didn't understood, sir. I didn't understood, sir, this one. 85 minus 69.
Yeah, where is your doubt?
Sir, after second one, sir.
Okay.
How we got 6, I don't know, sir. I didn't understand that.
Okay. That is what I am explaining again. See carefully. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2. Because next place is a mismatch, write the predecessor of 2. That will be 1. Complement of 9 is how much, Pranav?
The complement of 9 is 1, sir.
1 second. Yeah, complement of 9 is 1. Add that 1 to the above number.
So 6 it will become.
So it should become 6. So answer 16.
Okay, sir, I understood now.
Okay. I'm taking one more example. See carefully. 5, 80, 2, 3, లేదా 582 and 297. Yeah. See, first column, 5 minus 2 is 3. Sir, actually 3, in every time we are writing that 2 and we are reducing it 1. Instead of writing 2 and reducing 1, before writing only see the next column. Okay. Actually, we should write 3 here. But before writing 3, I'm seeing the next column. Is it a match or mismatch? Mismatch. That's why I'm reducing that 3 by 1. It will be 2. Okay. Now, what is the complement of 9? 1. 1, we have to add it to 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. Again, before writing 9 here, see the next place. Is it a match or mismatch? Mismatch. That's why reduce that 9 by 1. It will be 8 again. Now, what is the complement of 7? 3. Add this 3 to the above number. It will be 5. So that's all. That is the answer. Okay. If anybody have doubt, you can raise your hand. Sudisha understood. Okay. Srushti, having doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, 8 minus 9, the line's complement is 1, sir. So you wrote 8. But after that
Yeah,
number, it's a mismatch,
see.
no, sir.
Yeah, see. Why it is 8? See. Why it is 8? 8
Yes, sir.
plus 9's complement is 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
Actually, we have to write how much number here? Srushti.
7.
Actually, we have to write how much here? 1 plus 8, 9, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, before writing 9, see the next column. Is it a match or mismatch?
It's mismatch, sir.
It's mismatch. That's why I reduced 1. That's why 8.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that is applicable for every column.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
Pranav, not clear?
Not, sir, I didn't understood. So this very one. This one.
Then where is your doubt?
Sir, I didn't understand full problem.
Okay, wait. Satvika, what is your doubt?
Sir, can you explain 75 minus 32?
Okay. Yeah, all of you see here carefully. 75 minus 32. It's a natural subtraction. Directly possible. Subtraction is possible. 7 minus 3 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. That's all. Satvika. Satvika.
Sir, how are you getting 4?
Sorry?
Sir, how are you getting 4?
7 minus 3 is how much?
0?
Tell me, 7 minus 3 is how much?
0?
Ah,
Sir, it's a mismatch, right?
why you are feeling it is a mismatch? See, this is minuend. This is subtrahend. Yeah, just tell me if minuend is greater than subtrahend, subtraction is possible or not possible? Satvika,
No, sir.
you have 7 rupees. Can you give 4 rupees or not?
Yes.
Then why you are saying not possible, not possible? 7 minus 4, so 4 is possible. Don't mute yourself. Just wait. Satvika, you're confusing. 7 minus 4 is possible or not possible?
Okay, sorry, sir. Understood.
Where are you? Where are you till now? Stop chatting. No class today, last class we are doing addition, sum. What all these things? Don't write anything in the chat box. Don't write. If you have any doubt, directly you can ask me. Everyone, don't write anything. Satvika, now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, minuend is greater than subtrahend. Minuend is greater than subtrahend. Subtraction is possible or not possible? Tell me.
Possible, sir.
Possible. Possible means this one we have to consider as a match case. Match case. If minuend is less than subtrahend,
Then mismatch.
so it is not possible. Subtraction is not possible. So then it is a mismatch. Mismatch. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me, all of you clear with this match or mismatch? That's all. I will allow you one by one. Just tell me, all of you. This match,
Sir, it is very
mismatch,
clear.
match, mismatch is clear.
Sir, match is clear and mismatch is also clear.
Remaining things I will explain. Wait, just remaining things I will explain. All your doubts I will clarify. Just wait. This match and mismatch is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Match
Yes, sir,
means,
clear.
yeah. If it is a match, directly we can do subtraction.
If
Remember
it is
that.
mismatch, we have to do
If
the
it is
we have
mismatch
to
only,
take
then
the
complementary pair comes into
complement.
picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Sir,
only
you can
complementary
show
pair
for
comes into
mismatch.
picture. Sorry.
Sir, can I tell for Pranav?
Show Pranav, tell me.
Sir, I said you, sir, up one I didn't understood.
Up one means this one.
Yes, sir, this one, 8th one.
Yeah, I'll explain again. I'll separately I'll take
Oh,
separate questions.
Sir, we'll do some, sir.
Sir,
We'll
we'll
do
do
sums,
some.
but,
He will only understand, sir.
Let them understood. If they understood only, then we can do sums. Then other
Sir,
without.
can I tell?
Sir, how we got 8 didn't understood.
If, sir, you give an example, I will tell, sir.
I will give example. Okay. Just wait. Toshnika, what is your doubt?
Sir, actually, if you can explain me this thing.
You are late, right?
Yeah, sir. That's right.
Yeah, I'm explaining again. See, this is the last time I'm explaining. All of you, listen to me carefully. I'll take a match and mismatch combinations. 6, 5, 3, 9, 8, 4. Don't write anything. Don't write anything in chat box. Sudisha, don't write. Okay. Minus 2, 9, 5, 7, 4, 2. Sorry. 4, 9. All of you concentrate on this. Left to right, we are going to do. If minuend is greater than subtrahend, it's a match case. If minuend is less than subtrahend, it's a mismatch. Okay. First column is a match or mismatch. Just to say this one. Match, mismatch. First column, match or mismatch? Match. Means direct subtraction is possible. So 6 minus 2 is 4. See here, all of you. Before writing 4 only, see the next column is a match or mismatch? Mismatch. So if it is a mismatch, reduce that 4 by 1. So we have to write 3 only. In the previous case additions, remember that by seeing the next column, we increased 1. In subtractions, we are reducing 1. Okay, next to see. Because it's a mismatch, we have now complementary pair comes into picture. What is the complement of 9? 1. Complement of 9, 1. We have to add that 1 to above number 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Again, before writing 6 only, see the next column. Is a match or mismatch? Mismatch. Because it's mismatch, 6 becomes 5. Okay, next see. Because it is also mismatch, complementary pair comes into picture. 5's complement is 4. Add that 4 to 3, it will be 7. And before writing 7 only, see the next column. Match or mismatch? Oh, our Zoom session ending in 10 minutes. Huh? Okay, no issue. Again, you can join. You join again. Okay. After 10 minutes, it will disconnect and again join. What are you typing in the chat box? I'm unable to see the chat box. That's why I'm. Okay. Yes. See. Because it's a mismatch, complementary pair. 5's complement is 4. Add this 4 to the above number 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. But before writing 7, we have to see the next place. Because it's a match, we have to keep it as it is 7 only. No need to reduce 1. Next, it is directly possible. 9 minus 7 is 2. Before writing 2, see the next column. Is a match or mismatch? Match. Okay, match only. That's why we have to keep it as it is 2 only. Next, 8 minus 4 is how much? 4. But see in the next column, because it's a mismatch, a 4 will become 3. What is the complement of 9? 1. We have to add it to above number 4. It will be 5. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, answer is wrong. Sir, your answer is wrong. It's 358235.
Sir, but for
Sir,
five
it's
will get
358235.
Sir, but for 5 will get 5 only,
Sir,
right?
5's complement is 5 only, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
358235.
Sir,
Okay,
there is going to be right. There is
I'll
going to
rectify.
be
Okay. 5's complement is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. By seeing the next
Sir,
place,
the answer should.
because it's a match, we have to keep it as it is 8 only.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sorry, Andy. Okay, then coming to the
Sir, shall you go
exercise.
to the bit, sir?
Sir, I
Please
didn't
give the
understand,
name, sir,
sir.
please.
Yeah, you can give your names up to GH. 8 questions
Sir,
are.
sir, I kept mine. Sir, I kept
Sir,
mine.
I have kept mine, sir. I took B.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Sir, I also kept mine. Sir, I also
Sir,
took
I
and
took
I
B.
took C. I took C.
Sir, I.
All of you lower your hand. Lower your hand. Yeah. Now, whoever having doubt, they can raise your hand. Only persons having doubt. Yeah. Ashwad Reddy, what is your doubt?
Sir, I am not understanding what is a complement of a number, sir.
Yeah, simple. See, complement of 1 is 9. Because by adding 1 and 9, we'll get 10.
Yes,
Complement of 2 is 8. Complement of 3 is 7.
Yes,
Complement of 4 is 6. Complement of 5 is 5. That's all. Only there are 5 combinations. That's all. No more combinations other
Yes,
than
sir.
these 5. Now clear? Ashwad? Ashwad, are you clear?
Sir, I have another doubt, sir.
Yeah,
I
tell me.
joined a little bit late, sir. Sir, can you tell how to do the subtraction again, sir?
How to do the subtraction? Don't mute yourself, okay? Just wait, Ashwad. Wait till your doubt is over.
Sir, can you tell how to do the subtraction again, sir?
Can you tell how to do the subtraction?
Again, sir.
Okay, okay, I'll tell again. No problem. Yes. Ashwath, don't mute. Just you respond.
Yes, sir.
60. Any number 65 minus 27.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me. First column, what is the result?
Sir,
6 minus 4. Sorry, 6 minus 2.
6 minus 2 is 4, sir.
But before writing 4 here, see the next place is a match or mismatch.
It's a mismatch, sir.
Mismatch means we have to reduce that 4 by 1. It will be
3, sir.
3. Now, what is the complement of 7?
It's 3, sir.
3 plus 5 is how much?
8, sir.
8. That's all. 38 is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Show Pranav.
Sir.
Read your chat box starting from A Raghav.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'm going, sir. Sir, A Raghav.
Okay.
Sir, C Ritvik.
Okay.
Sir, B.
Srishti.
Yes, sir. B Srishti.
Okay.
Sir, again B. That.
Leave all the remaining B's. Ignore all B's.
Sir, E. Sir, Ritvik gave 2 times, sir.
Don't read repeatedly. Just read in that order. If that question is over, don't ignore that.
Okay, sir. F Kunal, sir.
Okay.
Sir, G Mahavir.
Okay.
And sir, H Toshnika.
Okay.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, C I, sir. Sir, G Shivapranav, sir.
D show Pranav.
No, sir. G.
G is already over. Ignore that.
Oh. Sir, E I took, sir. Shivapranav.
Okay.
Sir, D. Sir, D again. Sudiksha took, sir. Again.
Again, no, one time only, Sudisha. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, over, sir. No one kept.
Okay, okay. You can mute.
Okay.
Toshnika. Toshnika, tell me.
No, sir. Actually, I wanted to unmute because the Shiva Pranav was reading it wrong. Many people have missed out in the middle, so I just wanted to unmute and say because many of them were putting in the chat box, but they were unable.
Okay, okay. We should not waste time. That's why I'm keeping the names as it is for this exercise. These people will not be there in the next exercise. Okay. Right. Okay, then Harsha, you can try in the next exercise. Stop writing in the chat box. Stop writing. Okay. Do all the questions, all of you. All of you, do all the questions. Okay, Srishti completed. Sudisha, Sriharsha, okay. Toshnika, Shupranav, Cyrus, okay. Okay, we'll start with Raghav. If you give promise to me, will not speak in the middle, I'll unmute you, all of you, because this is not comfortable for me. Okay, I'm allowing all. Speak only one person at a time. That is Raghav now. Raghav.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 6 minus 4 is actually 2, but as the next column is a mismatch, I'll write it as 1.
Okay.
Sir, and we'll get 3 plus 2 will be 5, sir.
Yeah. From where we got the 3?
Sir, from 7. Sir, we need to add 3 to get, sir, we need to add 3 to 7 to get 10. And that 3 will add to 2, which is the 3.
Yeah, you can tell in this way. 7's complement is 3, so we can add. We have to add that 3 to 5. Sorry, 3 to 2.
Yes, yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it is showing that less than 1 minute the meeting gonna end.
Okay. Connect again immediately. Connect again immediately.
Connect. Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Meanwhile, we'll go to Srishti.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, 7 minus 2 is 5, but next number is mismatch.